So the Broadcasting Club kind of started after TV Production 2. It's a class here on campus. We really just wanted to keep on going and do more events, learn more about live production, and we realized that live production is extremely powerful. People will go out of their way to watch something live. We kind of realized that there's a lot of things on campus that people want to watch live.
Having these broadcasts, it kind of brings the students together. If someone's not able to come to these events live, they're able to watch from their house or their home. So it kind of connects them together. I think broadcasting in general is just a great way to kind of show other people like what you're doing at the school.
It's cool because as a camera operator, we're like having live direction from the director in our ears. And so they're telling us do this or pan that way or get a creative shot, and you just kind of got to make it up on the fly, which is a cool environment. It's a different stress than directing a film.
When you're cutting in film, it's like, oh, I want to, take from this shot, or I want to take from this shot, and you can decide. Whereas here, you're kind of deciding on the moment because things are happening, and you can't just go back, while it's live to cut to a different shot.
This is really interesting to me. This is something I would like to get into after college, is the broadcasting.
And not every event is the same, so you'll run into certain problems and you'll have to troubleshoot.
It's a good place for someone who's never held a camera to grow and learn more about production.
And we have a great team. We have a great team of students, and they're all super enthusiastic about it. So it just makes the events that much more fun.
It's nice in that you don't have to be just stuck in one thing. And if you want, you can do everything. You can switch around positions and whatnot.
We're all students here. Not everyone can jump in and just start right away. We want to stress how much to learn and grow and make sure that no one's stressed. This is fun. We're doing this for fun. The reality is we're not getting millions and millions of views. We're doing this just because we want to. I've never been in a broadcast where I've never learned something new. It's not something that you can come in and say, oh, I know everything about broadcasting, and you'll be fine the entire time. You will learn something as time goes on.
The Broadcasting Club's great because right now it's really in a growing phase and it's really becoming more of its own thing. Every quarter we try to up the ante. We make it a bigger and better broadcast, and so that's really exciting. And we're also just getting more people on board, so it's a great time to be part of the Broadcasting Club.
Wait! Okay, now, from the beginning.
Coffee House is similar to your high school talent shows in that it's a talent show, but it's way better because generally the acts are way better, but also they give you free food and coffee.